time in the snowstorm. Alright. I've made it into camp. It's going to be pretty cold in this spot. There's already like a nice little film of snow on the ground. It's pretty shady in here. But I think I'll be able to get the tarp set up nice and the tent configured well in this little area. And there's heaps of firewood here, so yeah, better get the tent pitched. It's already dropping fast in temperature. You can see there's little spits of snow coming down, and I can see back in the mountains they're really dark and there's a front coming in. So quickly get the tent up and try to get warm, but should be a good camp. Alright, time to get a cup of tea on. It's freezing cold, probably have to put my puffer jacket on too. But there's quite a lot of snow coming down, you can probably see it falling. And it's... whoa! It's accumulating all over my tarp, but I'll sort that out later. It's giving me pretty good protection now. The wind's kind of coming in that way. And it's already starting to pile up pretty heavily on the beech trees. But yeah, I need a hot drink, so I'll get that on, and then, you know the drill, it's probably get firewood, but it's still pretty early in the day, but I want to have a big fire tonight and probably tomorrow morning. But I'm freaking out a bit because if it keeps snowing like this, I'm going to get stuck here. But oh well, she'll be right, mate. Woo! Ow! You see that wicker? I'm going to have to be on high alert now for the rest of the camp, because this little creature is going to be following me around, trying to steal my food. If he gets my crumpets for breakfast, I'm going to be livid. Right, I've got him changed into my dry clothes and back into my down jacket. The wind's picking up a bit and it's blowing all the snow off the trees. The fire's going pretty good though, and I just went out and checked outside the trees and it looks like some more snow's on the way. But cheers everyone, gonna have a little drink and enjoy the campfire and a reward for my hard work. Oh man, it always tastes so much nicer when you're up in the hills. Absolutely succulent Wagyu beef burgers. Sitting here, oh, it's amazing. Oh yeah. It's like I've died and gone to heaven. Oh no, the weather's coming in. You can see this spin drift coming across. I think I'm gonna have this hot chocolate. Oh my goodness. Ugh. I'm gonna have this hot chocolate to get into bed, I think. Hello. I'm having a great time in this snowstorm. Alright guys, I'm quickly gonna have this and get into the tent. So I need to melt some snow. I need at least 1 litre of water. This is just the realities of camping in conditions like this. All the water's frozen and all you can do is melt snow. Should be enough. Alright, almost ready for the tent tour. I brought the tent down, the tarp down quite steep over the tent, so it should be okay. But there is forecast quite a bit of snow to come. But it's been a great night, and if something crazy happens, I'll wake up in the night and show you, but hopefully it doesn't. I'll see you guys in the morning. Good night everyone. Good morning everybody. I slept really good, really warm, not any issues with the cold coming in. The snow is falling quite heavily now. I just whacked some off the tarp down the foot end of the tent and you can hear it hitting the fly. Yeah, I can just hear it, there's lots of snow falling down. Almost got a boil. I need this coffee. As always, I have to reconstitute my brain's function. How are the boots? Not fully frozen. Oh, there's a bit of snow coming down. It's kind of working. I'm gonna get covered. Oh, all right. Got to get this little fire going. We're set up. That fire should be going good now. Well, there's a bit of wind coming through. Unfortunately, my crumpets got a bit destroyed when I was transporting them up here, so they're not in perfect form, but they should still taste great. You can put these crumpets onto the plate and grab my maple syrup for these ones. 100% pure Canadian goodness. Simple, tasty breakfast. I love crumpets. It started snowing pretty heavy again, right in time for pack up. I've taken my down jacket off because it's too warm. I'll finish packing up and the walk out's going to be quite nice in the snow, but the temperature's absolutely just plummeted again. You can see my breath. Better get packing up. Well, made it out of camp. Wasn't too bad of a pack down. There's quite a bit of snow. It's pretty deep. And it's just an absolutely fantastic morning. So I've got to make my way down into these clouds. And I don't know if I'll be able to get the car out. First, we'll just get down to the car park and assess the situation. This is cold on my hands. Probably should have put my gloves on. Alright, I'm gonna get packed down and in the car and I'll film some of the drive. It should be quite nice. that's the video. Hope you enjoyed it. It was a great camp. Hopefully got some good footage. And just, you know, made it out for another dump. So it's enough from me, and I'll see you guys in the next one.